Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best chi machines in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is the Daiwa Chi Swing Machine. This Chi Swing Machine is a great quality machine that is capable of reducing leg swelling, loosening tight spine and hips, improving blood flow, encouraging lymphatic flow, and helping you to keep calm and relaxed throughout. This high-quality swing master is a passive form of exercising to boost the flow of oxygenated blood throughout the body. It can improve your health to a greater extent. This machine has a wave-like motion that helps you to feel relaxed. The motion on the ankle helps to move the spine and legs and therefore provides relaxation by relieving tension. It is manufactured with metal, plastic, and foam material to provide additional durability. This passive aerobic exercise can be accessible to people of different ages. This high-quality chi machine comes with adjustable speed. You can find a wired remote control that you can use to turn the machine on and control speed at your convenience. It provides a comfortable position and convenience with its heavy-duty 15W motor. You get the ability to keep your ankle comfortable on the padded vinyl cradle. It will create a wave-like motion that can move your neck, spine, and shoulder, helping you move and supply oxygenated blood throughout the body. This holistic practice can be an excellent choice for people who have a sedentary lifestyle. Number 2. Our second best pick is Daiwa Felicity Chi Swing Machine. This Chi Swing Machine has a relaxing swinging motion to help you enjoy relaxation even in your sedentary lifestyle. This high-quality machine is capable of helping you if you have a pre-existing knee condition or sensitive ankles. This Chi machine's proper design and style help you enjoy a comfortable and great motion. It is included with the extra strength 40W motor that helps you to make adjustments as per your requirements. You can stay assured that this is a durable choice as the motor stays for a long time. The use of plastic, foam, and metal material provides additional durability and sustainability to this product. It comes with variable speed control and a remote to adjust easily. You also get an auto timer to enjoy a relaxed time. It is an excellent choice for passive aerobic exercise. It can be accessed by everyone. Choose this Chi machine if you want to relieve stress and improve your sleep quality. The wired remote control helps you to adjust easily. Apart from this, the extra vinyl padding for the ankle cradle provides the comfort and support you require. You can stay sure that the heavy-duty motor can handle your diverse requirements. Number 3. Our third best pick is Healthy Happy Long Life Chi Machine. This Chi machine is a high-quality Chi machine that you can include in your lifestyle to get rid of the pain. The machine has the ability to relax your body and enjoy motion. All you need is to keep your knees and enjoy movement throughout the body. It is a great choice to improve flexibility, performance, and recovery time. You can also enjoy better sleep. The powerful machine can keep your ankles in motion and bring them up to your torso. This way, it energizes your body. The high-quality machine is made with plastic material to provide the longevity you need. It has been included with 6 preset speeds to help you adjust the motion as per your requirements. So irrespective of your condition, the Chi machine will be able to provide the performance. It also includes a corded handheld controller that helps you to control the machine while you are lying down. With its 15-minute auto shut-off feature, you can conveniently handle this high-quality Chi machine. The swivel disc increases hip movement, and the foam pad provides additional comfort on your ankle. You will be able to stay comfortably with the padded ankle rest. So if you have a stagnant lifestyle and require flexibility and motion, you need this Chi machine. This machine can do wonders by improving circulation and providing the relaxation you need. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is FlexxiCore Chi Machine. This passive exerciser Chi machine has a large number of specifications. It is a passive exercise machine that helps you to enjoy a relaxation session. The user simply has to lie down and place their legs on the cushion to enjoy the swing. This will naturally help them to enjoy themselves and feel relaxed. You can enjoy several benefits on your back with the continuous passive motion. It helps to get relaxation with gentle, rhythmic motion. You will find your body responding to the swinging and allowing you to enjoy it. It is included with a heavy-duty DC motor that enables adjustable speed controls and an ultra-smooth ride. You can easily adjust the motion as per your requirement. With easy controls, choose the speed precisely. The elliptical oscillation and travel help your hips to swing properly while providing gentle mobilization in your entire back. With a broad range of speed from 80 to 160 ppm, you can find and make adjustments as per your needs. This is why it is an excellent choice for people with different fitness levels and ages. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Daiwa Chi Swing Machine. This mini smart swing exerciser is an excellent choice if you're looking for a reasonable machine that can improve your blood circulation. It distributes oxygen throughout the body from your blood and ensures a healthy heart and organs. It also promotes cell growth. With more than 30 pressure points on this feat, it provides vibration and pressure points to promote healing. The infrared heat included in this Chi machine offers faster healing. It penetrates deep inside your body and encourages tissue repair. It is also a great choice to get rid of toxins from your body. It also includes magnets that are a great source of healing. Using this machine on a regular basis can improve your blood circulation. It is manufactured with a plastic material that provides durability and longevity. This walking machine can benefit users who are suffering from joint pain, diabetes, BP, cardiac problems, obesity, and a lot more. Overall, you will enjoy the benefit of lesser health trouble and get back into shape. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.